Hi, we are Canary Swing and we're going to do a cover of I Want You Back by the Kings of Pop, the Jackson 5, and this is our Dropout live performance.
Dropout UK.
I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in the crowd. Someone picked you from the bunch, one glance was all it took. And now it's far too late for me to take a second look. Oh, and oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please send me? But now since I see you in his arms, I want you back. Yes, I do now. Ooh, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da, 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 da. Trying to live without your love is like one sleepless night. Let me show you, girl, that I know wrong from right. Every street that you walk, I leave tear stains on the ground. Trying to find a girl I didn't even want to meet. And oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please send me? And oh, darling, I was right to let you go.